Hi, my name's Di,
And I'm Dave.
and we work from home, and we love it, don't we?
We do.
We do. We really enjoy it. We live just outside London in Surrey in the UK, and we help people from all over the world to access a unique business system which helps them to get started working in the online space. How exciting is that? So I was a stay-at-home mum before.
I was a plumber for 43 years.
Yeah, and Dave decided he didn't want to go out in the mornings anymore at 6:30.
Didn't want that traffic.
No, didn't want the rain, didn't want the snow, standing out in the cold all day.
Didn't want someone else telling me what time I was starting in the morning.
Ooh, no. But now we get to choose our own hours, we get to choose what we do, when we do it, and we really love it, don't we? Yeah. Now, we live in a wonderful house in the middle of a forest, and that really floats our boat. But for the majority of people, they can live in a great place, but they don't get to spend any time in it because they're always at work. So for us, part of what we love about working from home and working online is that we get to choose where we work from.
Yeah, we know no point living somewhere like this if I'd never got to see it.
Yeah, only in the dark or at the weekends. Yeah, so we also, when we weren't in this current situation, we were working from rock festivals, pop festivals, places all over. We were going away so much, weren't we? Really enjoying life, and we were able to take our business with us in our phone, on our, put it in our pocket and just go.
Yeah, earning money all the time.
So if you're looking for something that's a little bit different, then maybe pop along and watch our workshop. What will they find out in the workshop, Dave?
They will find out.
They will find out. Yeah, they'll find out whether this is for them or not. And you don't have to be good on camera. That's lucky.
Isn't that good?
They'll find out whether whether this is a good fit for you. We use all the best modern tools that we can to plug you in and help you get started with your business. And we've even got the right product mix for you. Literally everything's been thought of, tried and tested, and we've got predictable results. So you can really take a good close look, crunch your numbers, and see whether you think this is for you. Years ago, working online used to be quite a dangerous thing to do. But now all the governments are telling you this is where you need to be. And so many people haven't got a choice anymore about what they do. They're being forced into work that they don't really want to do.
Yeah.
So this isn't a paid job, this is a business opportunity. But if you treat it like a business, it'll pay you like a business, and in that's a very nice, comfortable lifestyle. So yeah, it's worthy. Click on the link and we'll send you some information. And if you'd like to, you can work with me and Dave, and we can help you and show you how you can do what we do.
Can't wait.